I got so many requests for Japanese ogura cake, and I thought of doing this cake for you all. For this recipe I'm using 35 grams plain flour with 15 grams corn flour, pinch of salt, 1 whole egg, and I have 3 eggs separated to egg yolks and egg whites, and 50 milliliters oil, 30 milliliters milk, and 50 grams sugar. Sugar always up to you to decide how much sugar that you are going to add. This is going to be slightly sweet. So let's start doing it. To start the recipe, I'm going to do the egg whites first. So into a mixing bowl, add the egg whites and half of the sugar and start whisking it about a minute. While mixing, add the rest of the sugar and whisk this about another minute until it comes to the soft peak. Now it's ready, and take it out. So it has to be like this. It should hold like this. Now using the same whisk, add the egg yolks into a mixing bowl, salt, oil and the milk, and mix this about a minute. While doing that, add the egg and mix it. Now lower the speed and add the flour. And at this point the oven should be preheated to 140. So add the flour and the corn flour and mix it slowly. It's ready to take out. So the consistency will be like this. Now the tricky part. Take the yolk and the white mix into the egg yolk mix. Add the egg whites. You need to use a spatula or a whisk like this. So slowly fold it in. Don't rush. It needs to get mixed up before adding the rest. So add the next batch now. So I'm going to add the egg whites in 3 batches. Now the third batch. And make sure that you don't rush, just slowly fold it in. I really like this whisk for folding because it combines everything nicely. So make sure that you put the whisk or your spatula to the bottom of the mixer and mix well. And it's ready. Now take a tray with the baking paper like this. I'm using 8-inch cake pan or 18 centimeter. So pour the batter in. You need to put a tray with water in the oven, or if you have a steam oven, it's actually on steam bake. So if you don't have a steaming oven, put a tray of water in the bottom of the oven. And this goes to the preheated oven, 145, about 30 minutes. And after that, put the temperature high to 150 and bake again another 20 minutes. I just took the ogura cake out from the oven, so put it upside down and put it on a wire rack to cool down completely. Now I'm going to take the baking paper out slowly, so that way it cools down quickly without being soggy. So the ogura cake is ready, and if I cut from the middle to show you how nice, soft and spongy it is. So So simple to make. Hope you will enjoy this. Thank you for watching.